if you swallowed a pea-sized black hole. Sounds like the setup for a weird science joke, right? But stick with me. By the end of this story, you'll either be terrified of peas forever or deeply impressed by the digestive system of a cartoon stickman. So picture this. You're casually having lunch, maybe a sandwich, maybe a burrito, and bam, out of nowhere, you spot a tiny black dot on your plate. Looks like a burnt sesame seed. You shrug and eat it. But surprise, you just swallowed a black hole. Like a real one, about the size of a pea. You feel fine for about 2 seconds. Then suddenly, whoosh, your stomach starts collapsing inward. Not a stomachache, more like your internal organs are being pulled into a tiny, invisible cosmic vacuum cleaner. Now, scientifically speaking, this black hole is incredibly dense. A pea-sized black hole weighs about as much as a mountain. Imagine carrying that around in your belly. You'd sink straight through your chair, through the floor, through the Earth's crust, and probably wave hello to the molten core on your way down. Meanwhile, outside, people are staring, because as you're falling through the ground, the black hole begins eating everything it touches. The dirt, the worms, the underground pipes, one unlucky subway train full of confused commuters, all pulled into a cosmic blender with you at the center, looking like you just made the world's worst snack choice. But wait, there's a twist. According to some theories, small black holes evaporate over time thanks to something called Hawking radiation. So before your black hole eats the whole planet, there's a tiny, tiny chance it could just fizzle out like a cosmic bubble popping. But timing is everything. Your best hope? That the black hole evaporates before it finishes turning your entire neighborhood into spaghetti. Back to you. As you drift through the Earth, surprisingly calm, internal organs reorganizing themselves into some sort of space lasagna, you start to think, maybe I should have stuck to broccoli. Outside, scientists scramble. They point lasers, calculators, and maybe one brave intern with a spoon in your direction. Meanwhile, animated diagrams explain to viewers how gravity warps space, how mass shapes reality, and why eating cosmic objects is frowned upon at parties. And then, just when it seems like the black hole will swallow the world, pop, it evaporates. Just like that, all the pulled-in matter comes bursting out in a reverse explosion of dirt, buildings, and a subway train full of confused passengers who are now late for work and partially in a crater. You crawl out, covered in soot, hair frazzled, shirt labeled, "I survived a black hole." Don't try this at home. What's the lesson? Maybe this. The universe is full of things we don't understand. Some are beautiful, like galaxies. Some are terrifying, like cosmic gravity vacuums in your lunch. But the best discoveries often start with a curious question and a brave stickman who's totally okay with being sucked into a singularity for educational purposes. So next time you're eating something mysterious, take a closer look. It might just be a sesame seed, or the end of the world. Your call